Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in. Today we're looking at the new Walther PPQ SC Sub-Compact model that Walther PPQ fans have been waiting for. It shares many of the same features as the PPQ M2, but in a smaller package. 3.5-inch barrel and a much shorter grip. It currently has a 10-round magazine with a flush-fitting base plate, but it also has a 15-round magazine that is the exact same mag in the PPQ M2. It just has this grip extension here, so when inserted, you get a full 3 fingers on the grip. It also has the cross-directional texturing on the grip that people love. It is very comfortable. Walther has excellent ergos with their handguns. You can see on the M2, it has the same grip texturing. Very nice feel to it. And we look at the sights that are the same, 3-dot sights, all right? Drift adjustable rear sight, pinned in front sight. And the overall look of the gun is very similar. We'll go ahead and put this 10-round mag in here. We'll see the size differences. So here we have a 1/2 inch shorter slide length, all right? And then the grip is a little bit shorter too. I mean, there's that 5-round difference. If we put that 15-round mag in, it would be the same. But the texturing on the grip, the sights, the accessory rail, and the trigger was modeled exactly after the PPQ M2. They have a winner with this gun. Many people consider the PPQ M2 one of the finest polymer frame striker fire handguns in today's market, and they didn't mess around with that at all. They just shortened up the package to make it easier for carry. So let's take a look at the trigger itself. Walther measures it at 5.6 pounds. I measure it at 5.5 pounds. Does have a trigger bar detent in there. Nice smooth pull. You hit the wall, it breaks, and then here's the reset right there for the follow-up shots. Quick shooting gun, no question about that. Now the MSRP on this is right around $650. The street price, I have to believe, is going to be right around $550, and that as well would mimic the Walther PPQ. Right around 5.5, maybe it might drop over time, really not sure. But here's what you get in the package. Already mentioned, does come with 2 magazines. They do have a case that is like a midnight blue. And they have an additional back strap, okay, if you have real large hands. This one's a little bit larger. It does have a speed loader there. Lock, paperwork, everything else. But the one thing that I find interesting is that they have this right here, and this is a right mag button. So if you're a lefty, they include that in the case. I think that's pretty cool. And the slide stop is also ambi. All right, so you know, if you're a lefty, you can manipulate it from the right side of the gun. Good looking gun too. Let's go ahead and field strip it. Show you that it is an easy process, something that we are all familiar with. All right, here's your polymer frame, dual recoil spring, and a 3.5-inch barrel. Fully supported. All right, front serrations on the slide. Very similar. The one thing I want to talk about though is when you reassemble, there's a little trick here. It's not hard, but it does catch up on the rear of the frame. So you line those rails up. It catches up right there. You just have to push that down on the rails, and then it reassembles real easy. Reaching out to the CCW market, I know a lot of people carry this, but this gun is lighter and it is smaller. So what do you say we break out the scale? We'll check out the unloaded and loaded weights with both the 10-round and 15-round magazines and see the differences between the PPQ M2. The unloaded weight with the PPQ Sub-Compact is 19 ounces even without a magazine. And here we have the PPQ M2 weighing in at 22 3/8 ounces. But now if we add 15 rounds, okay, fully loaded, full metal jacket without a round in the chamber. Here's the subcompact model, weighing in at 28 3/4 ounces. We'll do the same with the compact size PPQ, and that's weighing in at 31 5/8 ounces. So approximately 3 ounces separates these guns. But I do believe most people would choose, and I will mention this as well, when you go to drop the 15 round mag, it kind of hangs up on the fat part of your palm. You have to turn it to get a good ejection with the magazine. Just something that the shooter will have to learn how to do. But I do believe most people will carry with the 10 round mag, and that's weighing in at 25 1/2 ounce. That's a pretty good weight for CCW. One thing I want to mention, and I've tried to find things that are different other than the size and the dual recoil spring here, and I think I found it, and that is the sight hole indicator. It does have a sight hole indicator on top of the slide. It does not have that with the PPQ M2, so if I charge around, we can see that there is brass showing there. It also shows on the side, and the compact model also has that feature as well. So there it is, the Walther PPQ Sub-Compact model, newly released by Walther, reaching out to the CCW market. You'll see SHOT Show videos very soon. I'm sure you will. They won't look like this. However, I'm about ready to head out to SHOT Show 2018 myself. You better believe when I get back, I will be taking this gun to the range and show you guys everything that it's capable of. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.